Let's use the time until Kevin is coming to get us. Hopefully, oh, Kevin, hi! Today, yes, this is the baby, basically. I like the
so
sequence
new.
one. Yeah.
Every time I see this, I think,
Oh, orange is really not my color. Yellow isn't either, but I thought it's fabulous. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're actually going to an old Hollywood red carpet event at Designer Exchange, and I'm super excited. We're probably going to see a lot of amazing bags. Kevin actually invited us. You guys know I love Kevin. He's one of my, I would say, most loyal subscribers. He came to both of my Bvlgari events and he's one of the kindest souls, and can't wait to meet him again. So this is going to be my little outfit. It's just all beige. Got this really nice dress underneath. It's like a linen dress still, but it's really cold today. It's like 15 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to put this blazer on top and I hope that it's going to be enough. So I was thinking about actually maybe taking my jewel out. However, do I really want to do that? Because then I might worry more about my bag than anything else. And I want to film, of course. And, you know, I just think this would look absolutely incredible. This reminds me of like an old Hollywood agent, probably. You know what? Even my Bottega pouch would probably be quite a good choice. But then again, do I want to hold it in my hand all night when I'm filming? I mean, you can put it like underneath your arm. Should I do this? Maybe I do this. I don't really take this beauty out often enough. Look at her. Wow. My little wedding bag. My Chanel Coco handle. However, I don't know. It's a beautiful bag. I love this bag to bits, but this is a bit boring, no? I honestly think all the metallics look great with this outfit. This is my little Chanel Mini Reissue in the rainbow colors. This would, of course, make it easy for me. This would be a practical choice because I can just wear it on my shoulder. Oh, look at this beautiful reissue chain. What do we think? I don't know. Which bag should I go for? Practicality or fashion? I mean, it's London Fashion Week after all. And guys, I don't know if you can see it. It started raining like crazy again. Every time I do my hair. We made it to Knightsbridge and the weather is okay-ish. So as you probably saw, I've decided to go for my dumpling, my golden dumpling, and I love her so much. You know, I don't take her out often enough, so I was like, why not for Fashion Week? Gives me Fashion Week vibes. So yeah, I would say let's make our way down to Designer Exchange and time jump, guys. I just filmed an entire vlog at Harrods, which will be out next, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And I needed to get a hot chocolate with cream on top because I haven't eaten anything yet. Yeah, I know, not so good, but I was busy today. Now we're gonna go to Designer Exchange. There's a queue already in front of Designer Exchange. Let's use the time until Kevin is coming to get us. Hopefully, oh, Kevin, hi! Hi guys! Look who's back! Thank you so much for inviting me today.
At the Chanel Wanda Designer Exchange.
Yeah, do you want to tell us what the highlights are?
So the highlight was the £100 bag that we
And they're going to have five
So two have gone,
£100.
so 5.
Ah, okay. So yeah, in total they're going to have five bags and they're going to be at £100. Initially I thought they're going to, like, once you go to the till, they're going to surprise you.
no.
But no, guys, they just write it on the bags, like Chanel bag for £100. It's like
Chanel clothes, bags, accessories, jewelry.
amazing.
Yeah, guys, I had to do a voiceover here and there because of the DJ and the music he was playing. Obviously, it's copyrighted, but nonetheless, let's look at this. They had popcorn, champagne. It was absolutely fantastic. Look at this beautiful trunk. Stunning bags. They look like new, to be honest. So this is the Chanel's section, and this is where they had 5 bags hidden for £100. So everyone was obviously trying to find them, and they had the bags beautifully displayed when we came in. However, as soon as we were looking for the bags, obviously the displays didn't look as nicely as in the beginning anymore. But they had amazing deals. So even though many people didn't find one of those bags, you could find amazing bags for £500, for £700. And let's be honest, where do you have the opportunity to get a Chanel bag at such a good price? Look at these. So For me, I have to say, I really like this purple metallic bag. It was £3,500. I also love this velvet mini reissue. Such a stunning color. It looked even more beautiful in reality. So many beautiful bags. I didn't know where to look first. There were modern bags, vintage bags, something for everyone. This treat bag was only £2,000, which is amazing for a classic flap, especially a double classic flap. I cannot believe that they still had the pink bag I'm going to show you now. This bag I've been eyeing quite often. Whenever I went to designer exchange, it caught my attention because of the beautiful crystals on the clasp. But wherever you look, there was just so much choice. And look at this beautiful red velvet vintage bag, stunning texture. And they even had a classic. I have this one from my year of birth actually, which means so much to me. I really like this camellia clutch as well. Yeah, as you can see, so much choice. Lots of pink for anybody who still wants to live their Barbie moment. Beautiful little boy in yellow velvet. This pearl bag, I don't know why it was still there. It's so stunning, such a special piece. This one I really liked as well. Reminded me of a little speedy fabric version of Chanel. As you can see, everybody was just trying to find the bags. There was so much going on. I tried my best to still get some footage for you guys. Beautiful denim vintage jumbo. I don't know why. I really like this gold and black bag as well. I don't even know what the actual name of that bag was. Lots of teddy bags. I would love to get a shearling bag. I have one, my little Lanvin Hobo cat bag in the leopard shearling, but I wouldn't say no to another one. I'm always looking out for the Bottega Jodie, mini Jodie. I would really love to have that bag one day. Maybe in the amethyst or in the lollipop pink color. They even had a Chanel 31 mini. Can't believe it. This bag only came out recently. Lots of red bags. Burgundy is obviously going to be in this season. So this Chanel Gabrielle bag, guys, I was thinking about getting it because you won't believe the price. It was actually £500. Such a find. This is a medium Chanel Gabrielle for £500. Okay, I'm gonna try the audio, guys. I don't know if the copyright will, start kicking in. We see. Okay, tell me about your favorite pieces in the shop.
This DIOR 31 handbag is really nice. And
Yeah.
the DIOR Vuitton one.
Oh,
And
really
the summer's
nice.
over,
I
but
know,
winter
next
might
summer. They look like new.
The beautiful Bottega.
Hello, Bottega. Yeah, I mean, you can see I got my Bottega
Similar to
today.
this one.
Yes, this is the baby, basically.
This one
Little dumpling. Oh yeah, that's helpful. Amazing. Oh, £450 is quite a good price. Yeah, guys, Kevin is helping me because I am carrying my gold dumplings. So I don't really have the capacity to show you everything. Okay, lots of Louis Vuitton.
We just received this one.
Oh.
2000.
Wow, look at this trunk. The patina is beautiful. It really has lived before. Okay.
These beautiful bags as well.
Yeah, they made them in the slouchy version now as well. That's incredible, guys. Always let me know what catches your attention. I like
This
the
is so
sequence
new.
one. Yeah.
Every time I see this, I think,
Oh, that's amazing. Ooh la la. This I love. Hello. Beautiful Gucci bag. Let's see what else we got here. Lots of Gucci. Donald Duck even. Very classic Gucci monogram canvas. Okay, let's have a look at that one.
this was reduced from 1 to
Oh,
115.
well, that is a good price for a Python bag. That is incredible. Oh wow, I love it. Is it pretty new looking even? Yeah, right? It's in awesome condition. Let's try that on, guys. So, this is a nice bag. What do you think about this? Bronze Gucci bag, guys. And I can't believe it's under £1,000. So you can find not only Chanel treasures, but also, to be honest, I really mean that. I think Designer Exchange has the best prices if you compare to like other pre-loved shops in London. Here, I can show you the color in the light. It's absolutely breathtaking, and it's
Yeah, I mean, you have to be careful with it. It's python in the end, but it is treated, so maybe you don't have to worry too much. And you can wear it as a little clutch as well. So, look at these DIOR bags. Ooh, this is interesting. Matte white on white. And perfect for autumn and winter, of course. I mean, this is a teddy bag. Absolutely stunning.
This was my favorite section. Look at all these treasures, especially this Chanel 31 bag. This one is pink. I have the same bag in the same size in basically a black patent. All these MS bags. Obviously, what caught my attention was the purple raisin. I don't know if that's actually raisin, but it was a stunning purple Kelly. And also this reissue, guys. Look at this python reissue. Chanel is not making exotic bags anymore, so it must be a couple years old. Love this little teddy bear bag too. Two actually, both of them. They're really, really nice. But my absolute highlight was the Birkin 25 in Rose Sakura. What a beauty. And I didn't want to believe my eyes when I saw this Birkin 35 in purple croc.
So this is the men's section. Oh wow. Would you wear something like that? Maybe. I mean, I love anything bling.
I love, this is one of my favorites.
Oh wow, yeah. I love your DIOR. Yeah, exactly. That was such a nice bag. Looks so good with your outfit. Yeah, let's have a look at this.
Oh, it's reduced now, 2009.
Ooh, 2,900 for both pieces?
Both pieces.
Wow. Well, that's value for money, guys. Does it have a specific name, this collection? Yes, so they had them, I think, in orange, in purple, in green, right? In blue. So cool. Yes. Okay, let's have a look. What else? Louis Vuitton.
They had so many really, really nice YSL bags as well. Look at this, so black Saint Laurent. Really stunning, but I love this pink teddy bear YSL Lulu bag. Such a nice size. I think you can really use it as a cushion, to be honest. If you're on the train somewhere and you need a cushion, you got one. It's 2-in-1, bag and a cushion all at once. So they had some really nice vintage Celine, but what I really loved was this Versace bag. Look at the bling. Look at the sparkles, how it's glistening. I really like this crochet Valentino stud bag as well. It would definitely look nice with a white winter coat maybe. And look at this vintage Celine bag. So from afar, you don't really notice that it's Celine, but when you get close to the bag, you can actually see all the little Triomphe logos. They had some Fendi First bags as well, and actually one Peekaboo mini in cream. You can see it there. I really, really liked it, and the price was so good. It was £1,300. All in all, it was such a great event, and I really, really, really enjoyed it.
I just found this Gucci coat for £700. Has this little flower there. Orange is really not my color. Yellow isn't either, but I thought it's fabulous. Okay, guys, and there's still such a long queue. Such a beautiful evening. It was so lovely to see Kevin. Let me know what caught your eye if you would have picked anything up. And to be honest, guys, I want to go to the Ugg boot shop now because they have new Ugg boots with like even higher heels than my platform Ugg boots. So I would say let's have a look. Yeah, guys, these are the new heights Ugg boots. And oh god, I love them. Look, they come in a tall boots version as well. What do we think? Is this a must? I love all these teddy jackets. They're not in any way, shape or form less comfortable than my platform ones. Super nice. I mean, this is not the outfit to go with it, obviously. But should these be my winter boots? I'm just like, should I go for the tall ones or these ones? I think these are better, but I don't know. Let me know. Okay guys, let me know your honest opinion on these new Ugg boots. I mean, I love everything Ugg, but I don't know. As always, I'm gonna link Designer Exchange's website in the description box below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, wait, need to see if I can go. No, there's cars. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same. Here's my dumpling, luxury disease, and I see you again soon. Bye! Wow, look how gorgeous. The light is now, it's the golden hour.
And look at beautiful London, guys. Bye.